News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about some vacancies in Defence Bioengineering and Electromedical Laboratory, Bangalore, Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited, Centre for Cultural Resources and Training, Certification Engineers International Limited, Central Forensic Science Laboratory, National Institute of Design Haryana Kurukshetra, Indian Plywood Industries Research and Training Institute Bengaluru, and Office of the Custodian under the administrative control of Ministry of Finance. Defence Bioengineering and Electromedical Laboratory, Bangalore, a premier institute under the aegis of Defence R&D Organization, is engaged in research and development in life support systems, biomedical devices, environmental protection systems, and air crew protective systems. Applications are invited for the following posts: 6 posts of graduate apprenticeship trainees mechanical, 4 posts of graduate apprenticeship trainees electronics or E&C, 4 posts of graduate apprenticeship trainees biomedical, 2 posts of graduate apprenticeship trainees biotechnology, and 2 posts of graduate apprenticeship trainees computer science or IT, 2 posts of technician diploma apprenticeship trainees mechanical, and 2 posts of technician diploma apprenticeship trainees electronics or E&C or electrical. The number of vacancies is likely to increase in future, and a panel of candidates would be operated for filling future vacancies in the order of merit or discipline for a period of 1 year from the date of interview. Candidates should first register themselves in the Ministry of Human Resource and Development portal. For registration, log on to mhrdnats.gov.in. Duly filled application along with relevant documents should be scanned in a single PDF file and emailed to hrd.debel@debel.drdo.in. Application form can also be downloaded from What's New section of DRDO website www.drdo.gov.in. Last date for receipt of application is 15 days from the date of publication of advertisement in Employment News. Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited, a Government of India enterprise, invites applications for the following posts: 1 post of Group General Manager Finance, 1 post of Joint General Manager Law, 2 posts of Deputy General Manager Finance, 1 post of Deputy Manager Company Secretary. For further details, please visit the website www.irfc.nic.in under Career section. Corrigendum, if any, will only be available on the company website. The last date for submitting the application is 14th January 2021. Centre for Cultural Resources and Training under the aegis of Ministry of Culture, Government of India, invites applications in prescribed format to fill up 1 post of Deputy Director Production by composite method, deputation including short-term contract plus promotion, failing which by direct recruitment. For further details such as application format and eligibility conditions, please visit Centre for Cultural Resources and Training's website www.ccrtindia.gov.in. The last date for receipt of application is 30 days from the date of publication of the advertisement in Employment News. Any addendum or corrigendum shall be posted only on the Centre for Cultural Resources and Training's website. Certification Engineers International Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary company of Engineers India Limited, Government of India undertaking, requires the following on contract basis: 13 QA or QC Engineer, 69 QA or QC Senior Engineer, 20 QA or QC Deputy Manager, 2 QA or QC Engineer PAUT Level 2 Engineer Specialist Grade 1, 4 QA or QC Engineer PAUT Level 2 Senior Engineer Specialist Grade 2 and 1 HR and A Officer Grade 3. Last date of receipt of the self-attested soft copy of the applications in the approved format through email to the email ID recruit.hr1@ceil.co.in within 15 days of publication of this advertisement. For more details regarding number of posts, educational qualifications, please visit the website www.ceil.co.in career page. Applications are invited from eligible candidates for the appointment on promotion or deputation basis to one post of Director in Central Forensic Science Laboratory, CBI, Ministry of Home Affairs. It is requested that the applications in prescribed pro forma of suitable officers who are willing and eligible for the post and who can be spared immediately in the event of selection may be sent directly to the concerned person within a period of 2 months from the date of issue of this advertisement. The National Institute of Design, Haryana, Kurukshetra, an institute of national importance under the DPIIT, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, invites applications from eligible and competent candidates for filling up 27 teaching and 2 non-teaching positions on direct, contract or deputation basis. For further details, please visit www.nidh.ac.in website. Last date for receipt of application is 2nd March 2021. Indian Plywood Industries Research and Training Institute, Bengaluru, an autonomous body of the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Government of India, invites applications for the following posts: 1 post of driver, 1 post of multitasking staff MTS, 1 post of carpenter and 1 post of laboratory assistant. Interested candidates may submit their applications, separate applications for each post in the prescribed form which can be downloaded from the website www.ipirti.gov.in. Last date for receipt of completed application form along with the relevant documents is 30 days including Northeast region from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Applications are invited for the following post in the Office of the Custodian, an office under the administrative control of Ministry of Finance, Department of Financial Services, located at Delhi and branch offices at Mumbai. 4 posts of Senior AO or OSD, 1 post of PS, 8 posts of Assistants, 1 post of Steno Grade C. The post will be filled up by transfer on deputation basis. Applications from eligible candidates should be sent through proper channel to the concerned authority within 45 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. The candidates who apply for the post will not be allowed to withdraw their candidature subsequently. The eligibility criteria and other terms and conditions are available on the website www.finmin.nic.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.